Hey guys, real quick unboxing here. This is actually part 2 of my iPod Nano unboxing series. I actually ordered this along with the Nano, but the Nano shipped in from Pennsylvania. These actually came from California, so it took a little bit longer to get them, but just got back from the FedEx place, and yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox this, see what we got here. So here obviously we have the headphones. You can see the little ear caps, the different sizes depending on the size of your ear, so that's pretty cool. We've also got the manual and warranty information, so that's basically it. But just wanted to show you guys the next of my unboxings here. I'm pretty excited. I'm starting to go all Apple, so this is new for me. I've never actually listened to these before, but this is I bought these because of a semi-recommendation from Eckofish. I don't know if he's going to notice this is actually in reply to his video, but yeah, he said that they sounded really good, and I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and give them a shot. So I'll have a review coming up sometime soon. Same with the Nano. Obviously, I'm working full-time right now, so I can't exactly spend lots and lots of time on YouTube, but I will get one up as soon as I can. Real quick snapshot of these. That right there is a speaker. Can't really see it too well, but either way, this just snaps on. And like that. So there you go. Alright guys, I'll have a review of these coming up pretty quick, and thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments. Talk to you later.